Welcome to BSoft Solutions. In this video, we're introducing our customized report stock items monthly columnar report. Let's start by configuring the Tally add-on. First, copy the path of your TCP file and then configure it inside Tally Prime by loading the add-on. Once the add-on is loaded successfully, you can begin using the report. Now go to Display More Reports and open the Stock Items Monthly Columnar Reports. This report gives you a clear monthly summary of stock quantity and value for each item across all voucher types with just one click. It provides powerful analysis with item-wise, group-wise, category-wise, party-wise, party group-wise, PIN code and state-wise views, all in a single report, giving you better control and smarter decision-making. Let's look at the different options available in the report. Configure button. Using the Configure button, you can customize the report by showing or hiding the columns such as stock items details, party account details, quantity, rate, amount, average column and total columns. Also here, you can choose whether to include credit notes and debit notes to show the actual sales and purchase values. You can also choose the sorting method for the report. Change Voucher button. This allows you to select and view report for a specific voucher type, like sales or purchase or credit note and others. Stocks Change View button. Using Stock Change View button, you can switch between viewing the reports by stock item-wise, stock group-wise and stock category-wise. Parties Change View button. Using Party Change View button, you can switch between viewing the reports by party account-wise, party group-wise, parent group-wise, PIN code and state-wise. Show and Hide Stock button. This option helps you control the display of stock item details by showing or hiding them as required. Show and Hide Party button. This option helps you control the visibility of party-wise information in the report. Stock Item Filter button. This helps you filter and view only selected stock items in the report. Stock Group Filter button. Use this button to filter the report based on a particular stock group. Stock Category Filter button. This allows you to filter the report according to selected stock categories. Party Name-Wise button. With this button, you can filter and view data for a specific party account ledger. Party Group-Wise button. Using the Group Name button, you can filter parties based on their accounting groups. State Name button. With this button, You can filter and view report for a specific party state-wise. Stock-related reports button. This button provides quick access to important stock-related reports such as Stock Master, Stock Monthly Summary, Stock Query, Stock Vouchers, Movement Analysis, Purchase and Sales Bill Spending, Purchase and Sales Order Spending. Ledger-related reports button. This button helps to quickly open all ledger-related reports such as Ledger Contact, Ledger Master, Ledger Monthly Summary, Ledger Outstanding, Ledger Vouchers, Movement Analysis, Overdue Payables and Receivables, Purchase and Sales Bills Outstanding, Purchase and Sales Order Outstanding. Thank you for watching. If you're looking for Tally customization, please connect with BSoft Solutions. See you in the next video.